Hello, I am Ángel Ramírez, the manager of the Cooling System Division. The Cooling System Division is the oldest division of the company, with more than 25 years of experience working in design, development and manufacturing components of the cooling system of a vehicle. We are mainly focused on one of the main components of the systems, the clutch of the fan. This clutch is the component responsible for transmitting the rotation moment that comes from the engine to the fan, in charge of generating airflow or cooling the engine itself. Koyali develops different types of clutches of the cooling system depending on how the activation of the clutch takes place. There are several types of activations: electronic activation, metallic activation, or clutches with pneumatic activation. Within the clutches with electronic activation, we have this clutch. This is one of the most innovative products for vehicles with Euro 6 anti-pollution regulations. This clutch is able to transmit a greater power capacity, and therefore is possible to couple a much larger fan, generating a greater cooling of the engine and reducing the power consumption of the vehicle itself. We see in the production process of Koyali, the product quality is one of the fundamental aspects that we try to take maximum care. 100% of the components from the cooling system manufactured by Koyali is checked with an online test that is carried out in this cabin that I have behind me. We follow a sequence of tests simulating condition of operation very similar to the condition that we will find in a real vehicle. And we check that the obtained values is inside of the established limit for every one of the components. In this way, we ensure that the product that reaches the customer perfectly meets the specification for which it has been designed and perfectly meets the quality standard of Koyali.